Hey guys, I just got in the coolest LED mirror. I'm gonna get this unboxed with you and show you guys a step-by-step review of this mirror. This is perfect because it can be used literally anywhere in your home, or it will make an absolute perfect bathroom mirror too. Straight out of the box, this is gonna come extremely well packaged. As you can see, it is completely lined with foam and even some protective cardboard throughout the perimeter of the box. And then the front of this is going to have a huge piece of foam on here. So this is truly gonna be protected on every single side. And this is what your gorgeous mirror is gonna look like. So let me get this set up and show you guys all the amazing features that this has. Okay, you guys, now that I got this set up, this has to be my favorite mirror in my entire home. This thing is so cool because it has a backlit design with this bright LED ring around it. It's really touch friendly. There's going to be two buttons. You're going to have one button that will control this LED ring on the front and then one that will control it on the back. This middle one is going to be the one that controls it on the front. There are 3 different colors. Your first one, second, and then third. Touch it a third time and it will turn off. Now, if you press the button on the far right, it's going to light up this backlight. Look how cool this is. It does a couple different options. So if you keep clicking through, it'll go to a multicolored and then single color mode. And you can cycle through all of the different ones. It also has a white backlight too. Or if you take a look closely, you can see that it moves, which is such a cool feature. You can pick the one that fits your personality or mood or whatever you're doing based on the backlights. The single colored lights move as well. If you want both of them lit, you have the option to do so too, and you can customize this based on so many different color combinations. With the backlight, you're gonna have 8 color modes, including that white option, whereas the front has 3 white modes. If you press and hold, it will dim your lights. It can go all the way from 10% brightness all the way up to 100. There is a third button on the far right. This is going to be your anti-fog button. This feature is so cool because when you're taking a shower, you will not have to worry about your mirror fogging up. I love the fact that this mirror can be hung horizontally or vertically, so the possibilities are truly endless on where you can put this mirror. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer shot of how absolutely stunning this mirror is.